जय हिंद दोस्तों and a very warm welcome to all of you. Today we gonna read about hybridization. The mixing of orbitals is called hybridization, and here orbitals means SPDF. Here S orbital has one box. It means it has only capacity of 2 electrons. Here p orbitals have 3 boxes. It means its capacity to acquire electron is 6. Here d orbitals boxes are 5. It means it has capacity to acquire 10 electrons, and here f orbitals have 7 boxes or orbitals, and it has capacity of 14 electrons. Trick is that when we have the value from 2 to 8, then we will divide it by 2, and when we have value 9 to 56, then we will divide by 8. In hybridization, valence electrons takes part. Here valence electrons means last shell of an electron. Here we have taken an example of CH4 methane, and it is also called mass gas. Here 4 is the valence electron of carbon, and here hydrogen is in the capacity of 4 atoms, and thus we multiplied it by 1, and here 1 is the valence electron, and after this sum we get the value 8, and we will apply the trick. Here the trick says that when we have the value from 2 to 8, it will be divided by 2. Then we have the value after sum 8, then we will further divide by 2, and so we get 4, and here hybridization is sp3, because when we divide 8 by 2, then we get 4 and remainder 0. Here shape will be tetrahedral, and here we can also draw it by sp3. Let's come to the another example. SO4 2 minus. Here we see that we have ions in the compound, and SO4 is also called sulfate. And when we have shown ions in the compound, then there we applied a trick plus to change minus, and minus to change plus. Let's solve it. Here sulfur valence electron is 6, and oxygen atoms in the capacity of 4 atoms. Thus we multiplied it by 6. Here 6 is the valence electron of oxygen, and we can see that here the sulfate ion has -2 valency. Then we, by trick, as we know, and I said also that when plus ion is shown in the given compound, then it will be changed into minus, and when minus is shown in the given compound, then it will be changed into plus. Here -2, then it will be changed into +2. Thus further, after multiplying, we get 6 plus 24 plus 2. Here we get 32 value, and we apply the trick As we know, when we have the value from 9 to 56, then it will be divided by 8. Here we will divide 32 by 8, then we will get here 4. Then hybridization will be sp3 and shape will be tetrahedral. Now let's come to the another example. Here SO3 2 minus, it's also called sulfide, and here we can see it shows ion of -2. As by trick we know that when ion shown in a compound, then plus will be changed into minus and minus will be changed into plus. Then after seeing ions in this compound, here the sulfur has 6 valence electrons. When we do electronic configuration, we get 6 valence electron and thus plus, and here oxygen in the capacity of 3 atoms, and it's multiplied by 6. Here 6 is the valence electron of oxygen, plus 2. Plus 2 here indicates that here ions is in -2. Then by trick we, as I said you further, when ions will be in the sign of plus, it will be changed into minus, and minus it will be changed into plus. Thus further we get here 26, and hybridization is sp3 and shape is tetrahedral. Let's see and apply the trick. Here 9 to 56 the value comes, then we will divide it by 8, and here after dividing by 8 we got a remainder 2. Then in this rule we divide the given value at last when it remainder is 0. Here remainder comes 2, then again it will be divided by, here 2 is the value from 2 to 8, then again it will be divided by 2, then here we get 1, and after adding 3 and 1 we get 4, and hence the number of electron pair is 4. Then its hybridization is sp3 and shape tetrahedral. Again we come to the another example, NH4 ammonium ion. Here we can see that nitrogen has a capacity of 1 atom, and its valence electron is 5. And we after doing electronic conversion, you can see that its valence electron is 5, and here hydrogen has in the capacity of 4 atoms, and hence its valence electron is 1, and here you can see that its ion is +1. Then we will apply the trick here. When ion show, then plus will be changed into minus, and minus will be changed into plus. Then here we can see nitrogen valence electron is 5, hydrogen valence electron is 1. Then here nitrogen valence electron 5, because here nitrogen has a capacity of only 1 atom, then 1 into 5 is equal to 5, and hydrogen has capacity of 4 atoms, 4 into 1 is equal to 1, and here minus plus 1, and so then it will be changed into -1. After solving it we get 8, and we will apply the trick here. 2 to 8 the value comes, then it will be divided by 2, and hence will be divided by 2, then we will get 4, and remainder is 0, so it will not divided further because it remainder comes 0. When someone value of remainder comes 0, then it will be not solved further. Hybridization is sp3 and shape is tetrahedral. Here is the homework for all of you aspirants. you will solve it from your home. Sulfide and its homework to you. Thank